right, so today I'm having a look at Euro Jpy. So welcome to today's simple Forex setup. I'm going to be looking at Euro Jpy on the 4-hourly time frame to start with. And on this particular currency pair, I'm looking for a long in terms of the direction on the different time frames. On the H4 time frame, I'm looking for a bit of a pullback. There is a small pullback there at the moment. So I will enter that trade, possibly a reduced risk. And then if it gets further down to here, I would enter that at a higher risk. So let's see. I will get that set up. Oh, no, we don't need that. This one here. Okay. So let's go in just above the previous bar. And then we will want to enter the stop loss at 1, 2, 3. Let's see below this third bar. So stop loss below the third bar. Just a buy at the break of this 4-hour bar. Okay, let's have a look. Yep. Looks okay. So I will add all the entries there for the entry. So the entry for this will be at 131502. So that's entry. The stop loss the stop loss is at 130894. So that's the stop loss. Okay. And then for the profit targets, we're going to grab profit target 1. So this one will be 132.110. Okay, it's there. And then TP2. Will be here. And then we've got to be Okay, so that TP 133.326. So that's the trade setup for today. So that's Euro JPY on the 4-hourly time frame for a long. All right, let's have a look at the next one. Next currency pair is a USD. So this one I'm looking for a long as well in terms of the direction and the other time frames. There's still quite a bit of room before the next horizontal level. So just looking for got a good pullback. So now just looking for a good price setup in terms of the entry. We'll see how that goes. But that would be for a long as well there. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro USD. So with Euro USD, I'm also looking at a long. So at the moment, we are just around that horizontal level. So in terms of the entry, I'm looking for either more of a pullback or something above a price action above the horizontal line. So we might wait for that. See if we get a further pullback or not. Otherwise, looking for a long. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Gbp Jpy. So with this, I'm looking for a long opportunity in terms of the direction on all the different time frames. Here it's going sideways for a little bit, so we really want a good pullback down to the top of the channel there. So on the 4-hourly, in terms of the entry, it would need to be somewhere lower down, closer to the top of the channel. And there we go. The next currency pair I'm looking at is USD Jpy. So USD Jpy, I'm still looking for a long on this one in terms of all the direction. In terms of the setup, I'm looking for a pullback. So a pullback either to this level here or even further to the horizontal line there before taking any positions on that. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USD Cad. So in terms of USD Cad, it has closed below that 1.25 horizontal level. So I'm looking for a short on this currency pair. So now that's gone a bit further from the horizontal. So looking on the 4-hourly to get a pullback back to either the trend line, the horizontal, or any of the horizontal levels there before looking for a short. So that setup might take a while if that price is to come all the way up there. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Gbp Usd. So on this, I'm still looking for a long to around that 1.43. So on the weekly, this is what it's looking like. still in the upward direction. Here it's going sideways. So in terms of the entry, I'm looking to get a pullback down to this bottom of the channel there. And then looking for a long. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro AUD. So this currency pair, I'm looking for a short. At the moment going sideways. So it would really need to be at the top of that range. A really good strong price action at the top of the range for a short. So looking for the price to be around this level here. The next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro GBP. So in Euro GBP, I'm actually looking for a long within this range. It's at the bottom of the range. So looking for a long on that. In terms of the entry, I'm looking for a pullback either to the bottom here or even closer to the horizontal line. And then looking for a long opportunity. And the last currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Gbp Cad. With Gbp Cad, I'm looking for a short, again between this range. So in terms of the short setup, looking for a pullback up to the trend line or to the horizontal. In terms of the entry here, we could have something around the current horizontal line there, around the 1.72 or even back up here. So just waiting for a reversal around this area here and looking for a short position there. All right, if you have any questions, please pop them into the chat box. I'll have a look. Let's see. Okay. No questions. Alrighty. So for any further updates on the trades, you can check out the Simple Forex Setup Telegram group. Otherwise, I'll be back live at 1 p.m. Singapore time today. So I will be doing another review at 1 p.m. Singapore time. I'll see you then. Bye for now.